viewers, today's reading is about um, some particular person that you are thinking about. You are ask about some person, that how do they feel about you, how do they think about you. Okay, and there are these three cards uh, from which you have to choose, and this is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, this is pile number 3, and think about that person, about their face, about their name, and ask the question in your mind, uh, that what did they think about you, and then choose the file, and whichever file you are attracted most, choose that one. I am going to the reading number 1. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 1 with this okay, this skin color flower, your first card is uh, that person you are asking about. Maybe they are not talking to you, they are angry with you, and they think that you have to take the action towards them. You are the one who have to take the action towards them, who have to say I'm sorry, who have to apologize to them. They think that you have to do. Okay, with this card, Knight of King of Cups, upside down. They think that you don't have a love for them. You no more have a love for them. You no more have the desire to have a relationship with them, or have a friendship with them. They think like this, and they think that you have to take a rest and think about their self, their relationship, the relationship with them, the partnership with them, friendship with them, whatever they are to you. Think about them, and take some make some decision over here, and think about their love, think about this situation, think about what is happening, what had happened to you, what had happened to you with love, with happiness, the time you are spending with them, you had spent with them, and that's about these things. And now you have the two of swords, duality, separation. You have to change your mind, you have to make your mind. Okay, you have to take the path. It's up to you which path you want to take, the darkest one or the light one. And you have to connect these both things, the love and the hate, and then see what is good for you. Okay, and you have to make the decision, you have to change yourself, you have to do something over here. They think that you have to do something over here. Okay, with this what is the Six of Wands. Is it Six of Wands? Yes. This is the Six of Wands, and there's fertility, there's happiness. They think there's still a situation, there's still a chance to have a good relationship with you, good friendship with you. Okay, they are waiting for you to do this, and yes, yeah, they think that this situation will heal, like this, these flowers are growing up. Okay, and they think that you some wise person have to do this in between you both. They have to make the bridge in between you both to heal this situation, and they want you to know the truth, what they want to tell to you, what they want to do to you. Don't create boundaries between you both. Okay, and then with this death and rebirth, they want to change yourself, they want you to change yourself, they want you to protect your love that you had made till quite a long time, and they want to leave every that person. They are not good for you. They want you to they want you to, both of you, to be separate. Okay, leave that person, and change yourself over here. And maybe they know that you are not happy without them, you are having nightmares, sleepless nights, or maybe this is also happening to them. And with this, yes, they know that you had left them, or they had left you, or maybe you have some kind of money problem. They had left you, and they uh, know that you, at this moment, you are alone. You have nobody with you to heal you, to love you, to make you happy. They want this relationship, they want this relationship, like a good one, a happy relationship, a happy friendship, happy time with you. They want to enjoy the time with you. They know that they are also alone without you, and they want the way towards you. They want you to call them, they want you to ask them to come towards them. They are having everything in their life at this moment, but they are not happy without you. Because can you see that this is the card of Nine of Pentacles, and she is not happy still. She is looking at this girl who had the mask on her, its face, and she is missing that girl. Okay, they are missing you. Yes, they still want you to be with them, but they think that you have to take the first step. You are the one who fight with them, who do this all. Okay, this is all for you, my pile number one. And if you want to know more about this or some other situation, then go and watch my videos, or keep watching my videos. You can surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I am going to the reading number 2. Okay, my pile number 2 with this Mickey Mouse and what is this, Sophia doll. Your first card is, this person thinks that you are their desire, you are their love, you are their hope and wish to come true. They want to heal this situation. If they are not talking to you, or angry with you, or leaving you, they want to heal this situation. Or if they are with you, they think that you are their desire, their love, their passion, their wish. Okay, and they are happy with you. They are enjoying the life with you. Okay, you are the star of their life. Okay, then with this Knight of Cups upside down, maybe, okay, they still want you in their life. They still um, want to make a relationship with you, good relationship with you, but they are not willing to apologize to you. They think you have to do it. They are not apologizing you. They are, I think they are in their ego. They are egoistic person. They don't want to apologize to you. They don't want to, or maybe they don't want to propose you. They want you to propose them. They want you to take the first step. They are not coming to you. They are not talking to you at this moment. Maybe they are little bit shy. They are shy person. They are hesitating to tell you this, that you are their everything, you are their life. Okay, and with this card, because they are not telling you, they are not proposing you, your situation is stuck over here. You are not going to have any abundance, any happiness, any fulfillment or success in this situation, unless they or you are not going to tell each other that you are in love with each other, you are want to apologize to them. Okay, there is no restrictions at this moment on you too. And also, you are not wise with this card upside down. You don't have the wisdom, the thought to go towards each other, or to win this situation. And this is all up to you, both of you. If they are not coming, you have to go and tell them what do you think about them, what desire do you have towards them. Okay. Five of Wands. uh, Mystery, battle, fight, that all these things are ending at this moment. They don't want to fight to you, they don't want to uh, uh, break your heart. Okay, they are at this moment, they are very passionate to you, but they are hesitating to apologize, to tell you that what they want. Okay, and with this card of body and mind, they have to balance their mind and body. They have to act over here, they have to do something over here. They have to, you both have to do it. If they are not coming to you, do it. Okay, go and tell them that you are in love with them, you like them. There are two faces over here, these are you two men. Okay, go and tell them. When this person is telling them, giving sending their message to this person, their heart is healing, their heart is changing over here, and they are working on their heart. Okay, yes, you have to. If they are not coming to you, you have to go towards them. You both are not stuck at this moment. uh, you are free, you are free to do everything. If you want to go towards that person, if you want to apologize that person, or if they want to do this same thing to you, you both are free at this moment, independent. You can do it, nobody is here to restrict you, to stop you over here. But I think you or they are not thinking that you are their responsibility. Maybe you are not in the relationship at this moment, and you want to have a relationship with that person. uh, it could be possible. Okay, and yes, they don't think that this is their job to apologize to you or to propose you. It's your job. Maybe they are shy person, or they are a lady or girl or woman. That's why they are they are thinking that this is your job. Okay, maybe there is no love for you at this moment, but they are still attracted towards you. They are still attract towards you. They want to have a life with you, they want to give you happiness, they want to give you their love. And they want to care, they want to care for you, care about you, to hold you, to make you some cup of coffee, or they want to give you a rose, something like this. They want to protect you also. With this card, they decided something over here, and they know what they have to do over here, but they are not coming towards you. Or maybe they are coming towards you, but they are not telling you. Maybe they want to you to come towards them. Yes, and they are not asking you to come to them, meet them, have some conversation. Okay, have some meeting. They are not telling you anything, and you are also not talking to them. Okay, if you want to change this situation, if you want to heal this relationship or this situation, you or that person, any one of you have to apologize to other person, to propose other person. Okay, this is all for you, my pile number 2. If you want to know more about your this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my then you have to keep watch my reading. You will surely get some help from there, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the pile number 3. Okay, those who choose the pile number 3, with this smiling emoji, this has the effect on you that your reading is very happy, very good. Uh, and your first card is this is a success card, this is the marriage card. Maybe this person is thinking to marry you, they want to have a good relationship with you, or succeed to the relationship with you. And They think that you are lucky for them, or you are their luck, you are their faith. They are happy with you, they want to have this relationship with you. And but there is this ego thing in with them or with you. They are afraid to tell you this, or maybe their ego is restricting them, the ego is stopping them to do it. They have to heal this situation. They are chained their own self, they are restricted their own self by their ego. They want you to apologize, to propose them. They have to change themselves, they have to leave their ego over here. And with this, yes, they have to take more knowledge, more study, more wisdom. Or maybe they are thinking about you, they are planning about you over here, and getting more information about you on social media or something else. uh, they are gathering the information about you over here, and someone is guiding them. They are very wise person, but also they are little bit dangerous. I think they are very 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 wise person, and before they do something, they make a plan, a great plan about their thing, and now they are planning about you, planning for you. They are stressless because they know that you are for them, or you also love them, or maybe this is going to be happen, this situation this marriage is going to be happen, or this healing between you both is going to be happen. If this is not marriage situation, this success, this healing is going to happen between you two. And they know that, and they want to have new life, begin something new over here with you, some project or some relationship with lots of love, attraction, willingness. Okay, they want to do it, they want to begin something new with you. And this is offering from this love, this whatever this is, this person is offering from God, from love to you. Okay, this is better for you, because there is this light, this sunlight coming out of these clouds, tearing off the cloud, and coming out of it. And this is good, this person is good for you. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. This is all I have for you, my dear file number 3. And if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, keep watching my videos. And you also can watch my previous videos, and you surely get some help from there. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again. Khuda Hafiz.